things. And then I'll go to problems.
So first one is protein. Okay. Now some say there is overemphasis on protein. Some say proteins are, were recommended by the best lawyers. Everyone thinks proteins are great. But proteins are essential. Okay. Proteins are not only for the bodybuilders. Okay. Proteins are for everything. And if your body doesn't have proteins, I would call proteins as most essential as your immune factors. Okay, they are like soldiers. Every time you want to fight a disease, you want to stay strong, you want to protect yourself from illness, repair, injury, you need proteins.
Okay.
And 73% Indians don't get enough protein. Okay, people who have protein once a day consider themselves on a very good protein diet, and I've done that as a survey. Okay. Ask people, do you eat enough protein versus someone who says you don't eat enough protein. And if they have one bowl of dal, they think they're doing the job.
Yeah.
Okay. But that's not enough. Proteins are required not only for one meal, but they're required in all three main meals: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And if you're not eating enough protein, you are not giving your body the baseline immune cells to correct whatever is going wrong. Now, whatever that problem may be, you call it hair fall, you call it low vision, you call it colds, coughs, you call it dental caries. You go
Whatever.
head to toe. Okay? And you can rectify the problem if there's faster healing and repair. Okay? Whether it is acne and skin, everything requires to be repaired, and repair-based material requires proteins. Okay?
Okay.
And because we are not getting enough, we are loading up more on carbs. See, there's a plate ratio, right? And if you're not eating enough protein, you will land up having more carbs. In general, India is a carb-rich diet. Okay, we do emphasize a lot on our carbs. And quite sadly, we consume naked carbs.
Naked carbs. Naked carbs क्या होता है?
Just like you and I we don't move about in society without correct clothes. Okay? The trouble with carbs is not the carbs per se. It's the naked ones. When we forget to dress them up.
Okay. कैसे करते हैं ड्रेस?
Carbs को हम कपड़े आगे से भी पहनते हैं, पीछे से भी पहनते हैं. Carbs को ड्रेस both way करना है. आगे से है फाइबर, पीछे से है प्रोटीन.
Okay.
फाइबर माने सब्जी, cooked raw soup, salad. प्रोटीन माने दाल्स, pulses, legumes, sprouts, chicken, fish, अंडे. Mostly, our carbs are naked. For example, chutney bread, plain katori poha, which is considered extremely healthy. Plain katori pasta, which is considered extremely unhealthy, but both are naked. Aloo paratha, lemon rice. Carbs जिसने कपड़े नहीं पहने. Carbs के कपड़े हैं fiber and protein. या फिर हम करते हैं one sided dressing. आगे से कपड़े पहने, पीछे से भूल गए. For example, idli sambar. Proteins, no fiber. Vegetable sandwich. पीछे से कपड़े, आगे से भूल गए. If you understand the funda of covering up the carb, you are delaying glucose spikes. It's just as simple as that. Because your carbs and your fiber and your protein requires more time to break down, and they hold on and delay gastric emptying, therefore delay surges in your blood sugar levels. See, all problem occurs when blood glucose levels spike. Because after a high, there's a crash, then there's a high. Okay, so we have to prevent glucose spikes.
Okay.
So most people will say, I'm following an anti-inflammatory diet. What is inflammation? Sugar spikes. Control sugar spikes, control inflammation. So proteins are an essential factor of dressing up your carbs, because most of us fear carbs. But carbs are your energy givers. And if you don't have enough energy, then how do you accomplish everything in the day?
True.
Okay, now you don't want to do it as wheat, you do it as bajra jawari. Is there one carb that is the best choice for everyone? No. You have to listen to your body.
हर किसी के लिए अलग-अलग.
Correct. For example, आपको बाजरा सूट करेगा, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं सूट करेगा. So is there one universal millet जो सबसे अच्छा होता है? नहीं. But you have to figure out how you're dressing them. But even the order in which you eat your khana, that itself can also reduce glucose spikes by 40%.
किस ऑर्डर में खाना खाना चाहिए?
हाँ, हर चीज का ऑर्डर होता है. हाँ. सक्सेस का ऑर्डर होता है, दिन का ऑर्डर होता है, राइट? खाना खाने का भी ऑर्डर होता है. ओके, सो थाली वही, कार्ब होगा, प्रोटीन होगा, फाइबर होगा. Fats are included amongst in all cooking methods, right? So fats come in. Now, how do we usually eat?